Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public DNS with an easy method. We'll cover the simple steps to switch your DNS settings, which can lead to a faster, more secure, and more private internet experience. Many users find that changing their DNS servers is one of the quickest ways to optimize their online activities, often resulting in noticeable improvements in browsing speed and overall network performance. Choosing the right public DNS provider is key. Google Public DNS, with its primary address of 8.8.8.8, is widely known for reliability. Cloudflare DNS, using 1.1.1.1, focuses on speed and privacy. OpenDNS, at 208.67.222.222, offers content filtering. Each provides distinct advantages, so select one that best fits your needs for speed, security, or content control. Configuring public DNS on a Windows computer is quite straightforward. First, open your Network and Sharing Center and navigate to change adapter settings. Next, right-click on your active internet connection, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. From there, highlight Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4 and click Properties again. Finally, enter your preferred public DNS server addresses, such as Google's 8.8.8.8, and save your changes. For Mac OS users, changing your DNS settings is equally simple. Begin by opening System Settings and then clicking on Network. Select your active network connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then click the Details button. Next, navigate to the DNS tab. Here, you can use the plus sign to add your new public DNS server addresses, like Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1, and then click OK to apply them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.